potentially part 3. I'm gonna have to go back and look. It's either part 4 or part 3. But I was trying to show you guys to look at the roses here. You guys can see one right there, and there's a bigger one right there in the corner there. Anywho, we're back at it here. Because I accidentally switched apps. I don't know why, but to be honest, it is what it is. I needed to shorten that video up anyway. Woo! All right. Here we go. Oh my God! Dude. Ooh! Look at Tom's tree. To start this back off. Look at that. It's blowing from our backyard to here, or to there. What? Where did that come from? Look at that butterfly bush. That thing is huge. And you guys could just see it here and here. Like, oh my God, that thing is huge. Holy moly. Oh, look at that. Oh, God. Oh, here that comes. Whoa. Oh. There it comes. I still hear a lot of activity. Like a lot of roaring. Wow. This has been a crazy day. I'm so glad I was home for today. What an insane day it's been. Oh God, it's starting to roar again. I caught a lot inside too, but I think the most I've caught was outside so far. Like, I'm glad I decided to come out here and just video the willow for you guys. Oh. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that tree is still going. Ooh, I thought the fence was about falling for a quick second. I thought the fence was about to fall. Oh, ow. Whew. 60-mile-per-hour winds are no joke. Like, the fact that it's ripped up that tarp under there, I mean, that tarp is old and it's worn. So, I mean, I get why it's been yeah, the strongest winds were tearing this up when I was out here. So those were definitely the strongest winds, and I'm glad I got them while I was outside. I'm just glad I haven't just been sitting inside, just doing nothing, spending the last moments with my phone before it goes away, because I got a D in one of my classes. Oh, all right, I need to start picking up pieces from that. That pear! Oh my God, it is better. Oh, here it comes. Oh, that ain't all of it. Yeah, see, I knew it. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh God. Yo. Tom's tree. All I hear right now is freaking roaring. Oh, freaker shackles. Oh! Oh my God! That scared the living crap out of me. What are the debris? Yeah. Oh! Good Lord! Dude, listen to the roar. Oh. That pine! Holy! Oh my God! Oh crap! It is about to blow. I'm scared now. Oh wow. Now, there goes all that. Oh crap. Yo. That was crazy. Oh my God! Dude! The way that tree started blowing? Jesus. Oh crap. Whoa! Why did the fence scare me like that, bro? Why does it keep doing that to me? It's torture. Yeah, it's torture. Man, dude. Can y'all believe how crazy windy it is right now? I don't think I have ever seen it so windy here. This is like the second time this year we've had 60. Well, no, this is like the first time I think I've actually videoed 60 mile per hour winds here. 50 mile per hour winds were, I don't remember when exactly. I think it was in February. Man, we've had some crazy winds this year. Like, we've had so many windy days, it's like I can't even count anymore. But this is definitely the windiest. But I've also never really watched the wind blow this direction before. Because the main direction it's coming is this way. Or it's coming from this way and it's blowing this way. And it's blowing that direction. Sometimes I get my words mixed up, but hopefully I didn't there. Some of these I'm gonna have to clip. I don't know, or I'll just keep them. Well, yeah, I'll probably clip. That's just gonna be. I'll have to use Photos app and just like make new clips and then post them. That's what I usually do. What the? Wow. Dude, those trees over there. supposed to be windy most of tonight, but calm around 11, I think. Like completely calm by 11. What's wrong? Oh. I have caught in some insane gusts. Look at this. That thing just got torn up since I came out here. When I came out here, that thing just started tearing. What's up? Okay.
Ketchup all over the floor.
Oh, yeah. I don't.
Slid off the box.
Oh, God darn it. I didn't realize. Thank you for telling me.
All this has got to get cleaned up before the one comes
Okay. Oh, I can get a break and warm up a little bit. No, it's not that cold. Oh, sorry. So that chair flipped. So that wind chime, or the bamboo wind chime on that chair has flipped.
All this has got to get cleaned up.
Probably like 4 times at this time. Oh, how do you know it's slide on the floor?
Yeah, you got to go get a wet.
Where did it come from?
I don't know, but that's trash.
Sorry I didn't eat all the
I mean,
fries.
and put the ketchup away. It's probably ruined now.
What ketchup? Oh. It's been out for like 3 hours.
Yeah, it's trash. I hope we have more. Yeah, we got plenty more.
I'm sorry.
Get it all cleaned up with the dry one and then get a wet one and clean that up.
That gust that just happened too was crazy. Wait, what does that thing say? Ooh.
You know that thing's not accurate anymore.
It is.
Is this still recording?
No, it's off.
That was a lot.
That was probably the biggest gust.
Yeah, that was a lot.
That was probably a 60-mile-an-hour gust.
I wouldn't doubt it.
That I have never seen that heavy all wind chime blow like that. Holy! I'm glad that I got that on camera. I have never seen such a thing.
And then you need to just clean all this up.
Yeah, I'm gonna vacuum that.
Okay.
Where are you going? Taking care of that tarp?
Look at the roof.
Okay. That was loud. Holy crap. I wish I was outside for that. There's going to be more of that, no. If I'm not mistaken. Pick that up. Pick this up. Sorry I wasn't out there for that, but I'm still pretty freaking glad that I got that. How much did I get? Oh yeah, I got that entire wind chime. Oh boy. Yeah. Dude, this wind is bad. So bad. The fact that I hear those trees right now. Oh! That is about to blow. That is about to blow.
What?
Those trees over there. All the way over there. It's coming toward. Oof. Ugh. This wind's trying to kill me today. It ain't though. This is probably the strongest wind I think I've seen in a long time. This is insane. Crazy thing is too, I've never seen it blow this direction, this strong. I mean, I've seen it blow this way really strong and this way, not this way. But it's cool though. That tarp is ruined. That thing's still been like that. Hasn't really changed. Oh, how it does the pole? The wind's weird right now. Dude, my Rosa Sharon blows like crazy when this flag is blowing that way. I've been videoing their willow. That thing's been going insane. I've got some in the fence. Huh? Yeah, theirs is too. Did you notice our tree? Our in the front. That thing is full of buds. It's about to flower. I already smell dead fish on it, even though it's not even bloomed. I'm like, bleh. I smelled it yesterday morning. It's weird. I didn't even see a white flower on it, and I already smell it. Yeah. All right, let's head back over to the willow. Those are some crazy gusts. Hang on, let me check my phone percentage. 35, not bad. Not too bad. I mean, regarding that I've been out here for a while. Oh man, you guys can't really see it that much anymore. Can you? Thank you. Oof. Woo! That thing's way there. Was the strongest wind tonight? Because there was two pretty darn insane gusts there. And I caught both on cam. In the windowsill when I was in cleaning. Holy! My God. Oh God, they're hydrangeas. Look at that flag. There's the jet. Jeez, there's so many jets. It's crazy, dude. That's impressing. I mean, not impressing, impressive. The wind has died. That is impressive. Considering how freaking windy it just was. Though the roaring sound that I'm hearing is getting louder and louder. Meaning, it's getting louder. That means there's some big gusts coming. There's a jet. Oh, you can see him. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, I hear it down there now. The clouds from that jet are like being blown away by the by the wind. That's cool how they're like silent. You can't hear them. There's more, which those are leaving. I think because this one's closer and the wind is like blowing here. It's like blowing the clouds from the jet are blown away because it's windy. Woo! Wow. He blowing. Oh, I'm holding on. Oh, Tom's tree. Oh, widespread gusts. Whoa! Holy, that was strong. Probably a 40-mile-an-hour gust there. Oh boy. Wow. Holy. It is really dying down out here now. It's not like it was. It's not really getting any colder. The wind is not that bad. What? The wind is not that bad either. Little spin around leaves, little tornado. Leaf tornado. Whoa. Right. Oh crap! What the? Look at that! Oh, that was crazy. just watch those trees all the way down there in the woods. They start blowing. It was crazy. It just came here and I was like, dude, that was crazy. Easy 60-mile-an-hour gust. Another somewhat widespread gust, though. That was crazy. Looks like we may have another one come up. Looks like we may have another one come up. Look at how big their little tree's getting. The people that have the birch, or that people that own the birch, they own that little tree too. Ooh, we're in for a gust. Woo-wee. Oh, here we go. Holding on. It's not that big of a gust, but there's a guy. Oh my God. Dude, this wind is crazy. Oh, he's turning around. Why? Oh my God, look at that pine. Look at that pine. That birch? Oh my God. Holy, those trees are swaying up there. Holy. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, he's gonna blow. I mean, I think it already kind of is, but nope, that's not it though. Ooh. Oh, that pine. Oh yeah, we are in for a gust. Wow. Excuse me. Oh, that pine. Oh my God. That is about to blow, dude. Oh I am starting to feel it getting cooler. Oh, wow. Woo! Oh, look at that. Oh, that is going to blow. That is going to blow. Okay, bro. I'm ready for whenever I have to hold on. If it comes, which it seems like it's not gonna. No, it is calming. It is starting to calm out here. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm giving my feet a break. Whoa! That was interesting. Yo, my road is here. Ooh, looks like we got a gust. I'm gonna put my hood on for right now. Oh yeah, I'm starting to see the wind calming already. It is definitely not as bad as it was. It's also sounding a lot quieter out here. I'm not hearing very many roars, though there is still some okay gusts, like maybe 30 miles per hour, maybe 20-ish. There are still some 50s, but not as many as there were. Thankfully, because I'm ready to go in. Now it just kind of sounds like a little bit of a breeze out here. Not bad at all. Man, guys, what a crazy day. Can't wait to get these videos starting to post, which will be future soon rather than the future. I mean, it's still the future, but yeah. Yeah, it's definitely not blowing as strong. I'm feeling a difference in the air too. It's colder and it's just not as strong. It feels calmer than it was for sure. That may have been a 30. Wow. I haven't heard it this quiet in a while. Now, it just really sounds like cars. Air's just feeling lighter. I'm just finally glad it is officially calming. Oh my! Ooh, okay. Are we coming back? so. What the? Alright, we're ramping back up in the 40s again. Easy 40s right there. Oh my god! Wind's ramping back up to 60 again. Maybe, no. Probably like 50. Yeah, looks just like it's back up in the 50s again. Mile per hour winds. Holy! That was 60. I actually have not seen that willow blow like that. That was easy 60 mile per hour winds right there. Okay, so no, wind is still mad strong. Look at that flag! Yeah. Oh my, dude, I think, isn't that the Eagles flag? I'm Cowboys. If that flag is football. If it is football, I do Cowboys. Because my dad has been a Cowboys fan for a long time. Wow. I mean, yeah, it's still blowing, but luckily not as bad. 50 is better than 60, almost 70, so. Like, it was almost 70 earlier. Like, maybe 20 minutes ago. It was horrible 20 minutes ago. But now that the sun is going down, it is a lot calmer. Even though we're probably still getting 40 mile per hour winds. The winds are a lot better though than they were. I promise though, those winds were 60, almost 70, I promise. It may not look like it, but yes, I'm being serious. They were. My weather spinner says it. 39. Is he gonna open his window? Wow! Oh, poor pine. Oh, Lord. I'm holding on. Oh, frick. Oh my God. Oh my God. Whatever that is, it looks like rain blocker. Oh yeah, that thing's gone. That tarp is ripping. I hear it ripping now. All right, I'm getting down. Oh boy. I'm gonna take a break from being on the fence. My feet hurt. Oh my God. How long is this gonna be going for? Oh my God. Yeah, this has been crazy. Yeah, it's starting to rip right there now. Ooh. It is definitely getting colder. Oh man, now it's hitting the wind chime again. All right, we're gonna be up here. Whoa. Here, let's get out of the sunlight. What the heck? Wow. Look at that. The sky is so blue. All right, guys. I don't know if I'll end it yet, but I am done outside because now my food is here.
What's up, homie?
What's up?
Got that strawberry crush.
Thank you.
Are you hungry?
Yeah. Man, what a crazy day it's been. So many things happened today.
So many things.
Yeah, the fence is broken right there. The fence is broken over here too.
Broken where?
You see where it's like,
Oh, yeah.
it's on the other, it's back here too. Whew, it's definitely cooling off.
Yeah. You want 2 pieces?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Or just fall. Oh yeah, it's still going.
Here you go, homie.
Thank you. Oh, they're right there instead.
And here's your napkin.
Thank you. Ooh, wow. It's chilling. Oh, that looks fresh. Wait, where did you get this from? Primos? I think they might have used the new cheese this time.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Looks good though. Do you mind grabbing me a cup from the top of that shelf? Because I can't reach it.
Why do you need a cup?
Huh?
Why do you need a cup?
I'm not drinking out of this.
Just be a man and drink out of a can.
No. I like drinking out of those.
So bougie.
Bruh. You never know what kind of
You're
germs you can
bougie, bruh. uber bougie.
Bro.
Just face it. Just own it. I'm bougie when it comes to guns
We know.
and hunting gear.
Man, it's still going. Thought it would have. No, look. It's so fun.
Well, just keep the fizz down.
I like the food.
Oh, the fizz ain't going anywhere. I was just keeping it from overflowing. Booyah!
Thank you.
Booyah, bougie boy!
Too much sauce.
What? What? Crazy.
Did they deliver it?
Mom dropped it off.
Oh, where'd she go?
She's going to pick up him. Mmm.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Yum, yum, yum.
Huh?
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Wow. I haven't just still gone.